And the opening bell just about to kick off. As I mentioned, lower after that sell-off in China. You want to watch Disney shares after that deal with Marvel Entertainment. We're going to be talking to Bob Iger in just a few moments. But first, let's get down to Suzanne O'Halloran at the New York Stock Exchange.
Well, Betty, investors appear to be focused on the sharp sell-off we saw in the Asian markets today and the ongoing sell-off we're seeing in European markets because we just got, as you mentioned, that Chicago Purchasing Managers report that was stronger than expected, but we are still seeing the S&P trade lower today. Also, there is more and more talk about the month of September. We know today is officially the last day of August. September begins tomorrow, and we know that is historically one of the most difficult days for the market. So the early tone for stocks this morning, as you can see from the S&P, there is negative. That said, we do have some positive news in that we do have a number of deals to tell you about. Two big deals. Let me start with Baker Hughes in the energy sector. Baker Hughes paying $5.5 billion for BJ Services. Now, those stocks, of course, trading in opposite directions. BJ's one of the better performers in the S&P right now, 16% premium for that deal. Their CEO, James Stewart, saying that the North American market won't recover without the help of consolidation. So keep an eye on a lot of the exploration stocks as well today. Baker Hughes, on the other hand, is trading sharply lower today, really pressuring the overall oil sector. Also, of course, Disney, as you did your interview, Betty, with Bob Iger, made a lot of interesting comments. I think one of the more interesting things I took away from that deal is not only are they paying $4 billion for Marvel Entertainment to get access to their comic book characters. He talked about this being a combination of new and old mediums, but he also said they're not against doing other deals. He said in the video game market there may be some attractive opportunities. Disney shares a little bit lower. Marvel shares, of course, seeing a big jump on that deal. They have over 5,000 comic book characters, Betty. We know they have been lucrative in the entertainment business. Spider-Man, of course, one of the highest grossing franchises in Hollywood history. Betty?
Okay, thank you so much, Suzanne.